This company, specializing in the communication solutions, has seen its stock price surge from 149 rupees to 610 rupees over the last 2 years, giving an impressive 309% return. Recently, this company has secured its largest ever order, making a major milestone under the Make in India initiative. With a strong order book and plans to expand into the emerging sectors like cybersecurity, this company is poised for sustained growth. Stay tuned in the video as we unveil the name behind this exceptional performance. Hello and welcome to another exciting edition of Noisemaker, where we dive into the market buzz to spotlight the high potential small cap opportunities. I am Bhumika Jain, Equity Research Associate at Desvelado Advisory, and in today's segment, we'll bring you 3 companies that are creating ripples in their respective industries with significant updates from its recent filings. As always, this is not any buy or sell recommendation. Please conduct your research before making any investment. Today's lineups are Interarch Building Products Ltd, Valiant Communications Ltd, and Syrma SGS Technologies Ltd. Let's start with the first company, Interarch Building Products Ltd. Interarch specialized in the pre-engineered steel construction solutions. This company has recently secured 221 crore rupees worth of order from Tata Projects Limited and Agratas Energy Solutions Storage Private Limited, solidifying its position in the high growth tech sector like semiconductors and renewable energy. Talking of the financial performance, it has remained strong with second quarter FY25 revenue reaching rupees 323 crore, up to 6.6% QOQ, and EBITDA margin stable at 8%. The company is also expanding its manufacturing facilities in Andhra Pradesh and Uttarakhand, targeting a total capacity of over 2,000 crore rupees by April 2025. Let's come to the next company, Valiant Communications Ltd. Valiant is specialized in the communication equipment for power utilities and related sectors. This company has secured its largest ever order, valued at rupees 41 crore approximately, from Tejas Network Limited, which is a part of Tata Group. This aligns with the Valiant's focus on providing critical communication and protection solutions for utility sectors under the Make in India initiative. This company has reported the second quarter of FY25 revenue at rupees 12 crore approximately, and with the EBITDA margins improving to 30%. Its healthy order book and strategic partnerships positioned it for the sustained growth, particularly in the emerging sectors like cybersecurity, MPLS router solutions, etc. Coming to the last company, Syrma SGS Technologies Ltd. It is a key player in electronics manufacturing services, which is EMS, and has partnered with the global tech giant MSI to locally produce laptops under the Make in India initiative. This initiative aligns with the company's ambition revenue target of rupees 4,500 crore for FY25, representing a projected growth of 40 to 50%. In the second quarter of FY25, Syrma recorded revenue of 833 crores, growing by 17% YOY with an EBITDA margin of 9%, improving by all over 500 basis points from the last quarter. This company has also planned a capital expenditure of rupees 175 to 200 crores for the FY25, primarily targeting the new Pune facility and other expansion initiatives, which is expected to drive further growth, catering to automotive and industrial sectors with cutting-edge PCB assembling solutions. Now let's review some of our previous picks. Syrma Tech Limited, which we covered at 1870 rupees, now at 1999 rupees, up by 6.9%. Greaves Cotton Limited, which we covered at 262 rupees, now at 242 rupees, down by 7.3%. EMS Limited, which we covered at 834 rupees, now at 808 rupees, down by 3.1%. Then Gensoul Engineering Limited, which we covered at 745 rupees, now at 747 rupees, up by 0.4%. And the last, Indotech Transformers Limited, which we covered at 2,738 rupees, now at 3,489 rupees, up by 27.4%. Summarizing the whole video, Interarch Building Products Ltd secured 221 crore worth of order in semiconductor and renewable energy sector from Tata Projects Ltd. Then Valiant Communications Ltd bagged its largest ever order of rupees 41 crores approximately from Tejas Network Solutions Ltd. Then Syrma SGS Technologies Ltd partnered with MSI under the Make in India with ambitious revenue targets and new manufacturing facilities. That's a wrap up for today's Noisemaker. For more details, check out our attached PDF in the description below. Stay ahead, stay informed.